I came to understand science growing up in the dominant culture as mechanistic and reductionist. So linear science is what is most often taught throughout our dominant education systems. Looking at the body as though it's a machine, it can be broken down into parts, reduced into parts. We can study the parts and figure out how the whole machine works. If something's broken, we just need to take the broken part out, replace it. Cartesian, meaning that the mind is separate from the body. Spirit also has no place of existence there, just these separate aspects of ourselves that don't interact. A mechanical view of the universe. But through holistic science, I came to, again, know that when we study whole sciences, there's whole systems and all of the parts in relation with one another. There's these phenomenal things that emerge at the level of the whole system that can't be explained at the level of the parts. And if we want to be able to maintain these phenomenal things that are happening that help to regulate health and give rise to evolutionary possibilities, then we need to know how to interact with and participate in these systems in ways that maintain those balance and that magic and that potential to evolve. If we just keep breaking the system down, then we lose a lot of what's essential of that system in order to maintain its health. And these extraordinary things can happen, like when a complex system is far from equilibrium, meaning it's not in homeostasis and flattened, it's nonlinear, far from equilibrium. These small islands of coherence in a sea of chaos have the capacity to shift the entire system to a higher order. So that's system science, complexity science. We come to understand how when there's chaos all around us, just having these small islands of coherence actually has the capacity to shift the entire system, meaning we are far more powerful than we realize we are when we're operating within a circular, when we're in a circular cosmology, we realize the power that we have falsely been disconnected from when we're operating within a linear mechanistic cosmology. A lot of things seem really impossible, especially change. Especially evolutionary, like transformative, revolutionary change seems really hard when you're operating in a linear mechanistic mindset, which again is just a false mindset. The reality is we actually have access to a lot more power.